morning everyone. My name is Salil Kumar. Guys, phone iPhone रे shooting होची. आपण देखो गाजर project टा reject है जाती देखो file reject, no reject.
कैमरामैन रो रिजेक्ट
कैमरामैन reject, कैमरामैन iPhone रे यार मोबाइल तारा reject but बहुत बड़ो A1 quality project टा. भाई देखो तारे वर्तमान होची project. भाई बहुत excited होची. Thank you. এটা একটা মিনি ব্লগ বুঝলে না যার 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 মিনি নাম আছে কি দুটো বাবা
hello guys, good morning guys, this is my classmate guys. You can see everyone are discussing because we are having presentation on seminar, so therefore I think so many of they are discussing about their presentation. Some topic are been confused, so my friends you can able to see here. See, this is Sunil Korali and this is Salem. I think Salem is explained to Sunil, so you can see here. So just now they are opening the laptop and using. So I want to ask one question, Sunil. Today, what presentation you are having today? Achha. You can, if you don't speak able to speak in English, you can use Hindi, Oriya. Okay. But I think as a management student, you have to know about Hindi and English. It is mandatory because you are studying management, right? Okay. Then Salem, he is teaching you or you are teaching to him?
I am teaching you.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yes.
I just the brain is the memory part of.
And this is our Oriya HR ma'am. Her name, because since you are our HR ma'am, so we are. It is very beautiful name. Okay, fine. Since and here you can see. This is Nitu from Sambalpur. Today she will give a presentation report. And this is CK bhai. You can see this is one of our friend. His name is we can say Rocky bhai. This is Monalisa 2, I think. Yeah, all are presenting. This is Priyanka. Hi बोल दो कैमरा में. ठीक है. और इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम आकृति है ना? ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. और इन लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे? बोलो कुछ. दीप्ति हाय बोल दो. थैंक यू. इधर हमारा हीरो है प्रबंजन. दिस गाय इज आई लाइक दिस गाय. आई लाइक हिज आउटफिट. One of my bro. Now I think bro is going to present a presentation because already one member is next room. Now this is the time he will go.
Okay.
Now इपड़े sorry कुछ बोलो. ठीक है. और इधर कुछ हमारा फ्रेंड लोग से. फ्रेंड्स कुछ तो बोलो आपका कैसे हुआ?
This is the Takladon.
So guys, this is the Takladon. Thank you everyone. अरे कुछ तो बोलो. और आफ्टर 2 मंथ हम और मिलेंगे. अभी लास्ट सेमेस्टर है ये सेमिनार. सॉरी. अजय कौन कहून सीके भाई. और इधर प्रियंका मैम है. प्रियंका HR. प्रबंजन भाई रिपोर्ट देखो.